welcome back to my mini vlog. It's Shinta. Today I will tell you about what I do yesterday. Yesterday I painting with my friend, and this is the result. I use watercolor, guys. Honestly, it's my first time painting with watercolor. Give me rating, guys. There is a cake, strawberry, and donut. Cake, strawberry, and donut, and it's also pink. What do you think about this, guys? I think it's not really good, but it's not really bad. And I don't know how to coloring, so I use my imagination to coloring this. Okay guys, I think it's enough and bye bye. See you in my next mini vlog.